The Montech Air 903 base is a standout choice for budget-conscious PC builders, offering exceptional value at just $65. While it's not as flashy as its sibling, the Air 903 Max, the 903 base focuses on the essentials without sacrificing performance or functionality. For those who don't need RGB lighting or fancy features, this case proves that you don't have to spend a lot to build a powerful PC. One of the most notable aspects of the Air 903 base is its impressive airflow. It comes with three 140mm fans, a significant advantage for a case in this price range. The inclusion of these high-performance fans ensures that your components stay cool, even under load. The front panel is made from mesh, allowing for ample airflow while doubling as a dust filter, which is a thoughtful touch for those in dusty environments. Another key feature is the removable power supply dust filter, located at the bottom rear of the case. This is a small but significant detail, helping to keep your system clean and maintain optimal performance over time. The case is designed to support a variety of motherboard sizes, from Mini IDX to E-ATX, making it versatile enough for various builds. There are 5 2.5-inch bays for storage, catering to users who need plenty of space for SSDs or other drives. However, there are a few drawbacks to consider. The lack of a fan hub and RGB support might be a turn-off for users who are into customizing their builds with RGB lighting. The noise levels can also be a concern, especially when the fans are running at full speed. While the fans provide excellent airflow, they do tend to get loud, which could be disruptive in quieter environments. Overall, the Montech Air 903 base offers a solid foundation for any budget PC build. It excels in areas like cooling, storage options, and build flexibility, while keeping the price low. If you're not worried about flashy features and just want a reliable, no-frills case, the 903 base is one of the best options on the market.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.